Learn how to match ECU part numbers across different car brands and avoid costly mistakes. In this video, we reveal hidden ECU compatibility secrets used by professionals. Whether you're replacing an engine control unit or sourcing used OEM parts, this guide will help you choose the right ECU every time. Every ECU comes with a unique part number. Think of it as the vehicle's digital fingerprint. For example, numbers like 028, 101, 2345, or 37820, RRF, Q11 identify the exact unit your car needs. This part number is the key to ensuring perfect compatibility. Here's a secret many people don't know: the same ECU can be used across different car brands. Manufacturers often share components, so don't assume it's brand specific. Always check three things before buying: the OEM part number, the software code, and the manufacturer code, whether it's Bosch, Denso, or another brand. This ensures your ECU will work perfectly in your vehicle. Small differences in part numbers can make a big difference. Pay attention to suffix letters like A, B, or C. Always use your car's VIN number to double-check compatibility. And remember, some ECUs may require reprogramming to work with your car's system. Many people make simple but costly mistakes. First, don't match an ECU based only on the car model. Second, never ignore software differences. And third, always check compatibility charts before purchasing. Skipping these steps can lead to a non-functioning ECU. Here are some pro tips for safe ECU purchases. Always compare your old ECU with the new one. Google the part number before buying. Ask your supplier to confirm compatibility. And lastly, always buy from trusted sellers to avoid unnecessary problems. We offer genuine tested ECUs with worldwide shipping and warranty. Offering fast worldwide shipping. Visit www.automanspareparts.com.